Yo, what's going on, traders? Hope you all having a good time. It's Rafa back at the charts again. And in today's video, we're going to talk about today's trading day. Man, last day of August, guys. I was pushing the edge a little bit more. I was squeezing it a little bit more. As you all know, the month was really tough. On Friday, I just got in profit. And today, I was able to bank already more than 120 grand. And I still got one running. I hope this thing will drop below yesterday's low. That would be perfect because then I would make another 250 grand or something like that. So for now I'm up already 130,000. You see that? And overall, guys, since April, for the last 4 months, I'm up more than $4.8 million. Already withdrew a lot of money. 3.9 million. I think I'm going to pay myself again. And yeah, I'm using my Hanko Trade Live account, guys. For if you have no idea what broker to choose, guys, just check the link down below in the description. Right, with Hanko Trade, they're pretty good. They're super fast with withdrawals and deposits. Everything works with crypto. And yeah, I really fell in love with them the last month. They pretty solid, guys. For everybody who's smashing the like button and drops a comment down below in the comment section, I'm going to give away the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team. Again, guys, the Genius Trading Masterclass course is the course where I've put all my knowledge inside, guys. I'm trading for more than 11 years now, and I've put everything that you need to know inside. Even if you have no idea about trading, even if you're a beginner, guys, this course covers everything. It will take you from the beginner level to the professional level. I will show you exactly how you can get funded, how to become a funded trader. I will give you all my strategies, all my money management systems, all my trade management systems, everything inside, everything you need to make shitload of money with trading, guys. And you have the community with traders from all around the world from our team. On top of that, with more than 3,000 people from all around the world who are trading the markets, helping each other out, sharing ideas. And yeah, this one is a game changer, and it can be the game changer for you as well. Just give it a try, guys. The time is running out. You have 5 days, 24 hours left to get into the Genius Trading Masterclass course for the discounted price of $447. After that, the price will go up, guys. I told you, I mean, if you've seen my last videos, we have so many traders inside our team who are making 5 figures and even 6 figures a month trading with funding capital, with firms' capital. They don't need to trade their own money. You understand that? They trading 6 figures account and they making like 70, 80, 90% of the profit that they generate goes straight into the trader's pocket. Guys, I mean, this can be life changing for you if you have the discipline and patience to stick to the plan. It can be life changing, guys. With that being said, make sure to smash that like button, drop comment down below if you want to participate in that giveaway and maybe be one of the lucky winners of the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team. So what we had in here today, guys, let's talk about what was happening in here. First of all, this was Asia session, London session, and we had this high in here, we had this low in here, right? So what I was thinking, because I mean, we were in a big downtrend. You see that? Like even yesterday we just slammed down, and I was like, okay, it will probably pull back a little bit to the upside, but it will definitely keep on pushing down again. And so I was really waiting for the market to get above this high in here, and after it got above, I was looking for a reversal pattern, and when I saw that the market is going down here, break structure in here, I was pretty sure that we are going to see downward movements, and I was waiting for the pullback to step into the game. Unfortunately, I was one of the early birds with all the other traders. We all got stopped out in here, but I was crazy enough to take the second chance entry. When as soon as the market broke the structure again, I was putting my sell stop orders just below this low because it was squeezing all the stops, collecting all the stops, and then it starts to push down again. And yeah, this was really the moment I was Yeah, happy to be inside in here. And I wanted to take some profits below this low in here. This was where my first target was. First target was at around like a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, around about that. And I was able to close like 50% over here, and then I took another 25% off the table in here. And the market was really coming down some more, guys. I didn't take profits yet because I'm still thinking that this thing will probably shoot below yesterday's low. So I'm still holding this one. I was still holding this runner, and let's see if we can get some more downward pressure. Would be amazing, guys. Maybe we are going to collect some stops above this high in here before coming down, or it will just go and slash my stop at break even. I don't know yet, but yeah, I will let you know how we're gonna finish this trade, guys. Was beautiful setup today. I mean, I will let this thing run, see if we can get another big profit today, and that's it for today. Let's see. I think I think even that's it for the week. Tomorrow, new month starts. It's Thursday. We already had huge movements this week. I'm not sure if I'm going to take a trade today, tomorrow, but I will let you know, of course. Yesterday I couldn't get back to your chats. I'm really sorry about that, but I had to party with a lot of friends because my girl had birthday. We had a birthday party. That's why I didn't answer. I hope you don't mind, guys. If I find my time this evening, I'm probably going to answer your chats, get back to all your questions and everything. And please be careful in the comment section, guys. Under my videos, there are a lot of scammers who are trying to pretend to be me, trying to get you into WhatsApp or Telegram chats. Be careful, guys. They just want to steal your money, so only use the links inside the video description, please. That's very important, all right? So, see you in the chat, guys. Wish you a great day and a profitable rest of the week, guys. Stay healthy. Wish you all the best. Peace out. What you